If you're working with Vertica or evaluating it for your organization, one of the first things you need to understand is how it actually manages your data under the hood. Today we're diving into Vertica Enterprise Mode, what it is, how it stores data, and how it keeps that data safe even when things go wrong. Let's get into it. This balanced distribution ensures that no single node is overwhelmed, enhancing the overall efficiency and reliability of the system. Why is proximity crucial? By minimizing the distance data travels, we enhance speed and efficiency, making real-time analytics a reality. This is the power of Enterprise Mode. Enterprise Mode's architecture is designed for optimal data distribution. By spreading data evenly across nodes, we achieve balanced workloads and improve performance. In Enterprise Mode, Vertica uses a shared nothing architecture. That means each node in your cluster owns its slice of the data, storing it locally on its own disk. Think of it like a team of analysts, each responsible for a specific portion of a large dataset. When a query comes in, every node works on its own piece in parallel, and the results come back fast. The key design principle here is simple. Move data as close as possible to the compute resources. In Enterprise Mode, data is stored in ROS containers, which are optimized for reading. This segmentation and compression enhance data retrieval speed. So how does Vertica actually store data on each node? Every write, whether it's a copy statement, an insert, or a Kafka stream, lands directly into ROS containers on disk. ROS stands for Read Optimized Store. That data is segmented, sorted, and compressed for fast reads right from the start. The challenge? Each write creates a new ROS container, so over time, you can end up with many small ones, and that fragmentation hurts scan performance. Vertica solves this with mergeout, a background process run by the tuple mover that automatically consolidates smaller ROS containers into fewer, larger ones. No manual tuning needed. So, in summary, the mergeout operation consolidates data, reducing fragmentation and ensuring that data remains accessible and organized. Data redundancy is vital in preventing data loss. By storing data redundantly, Enterprise Mode ensures that no single node failure can disrupt operations. K-safety is a cornerstone of data protection in Enterprise Mode. It ensures that data remains available even if multiple nodes fail. Here's a critical question. What happens when a node goes down? Since each node stores its own data locally, if a node fails and you have no redundancy, your database would have to shut down. It simply can't answer queries for data it can't access. That's why Enterprise Mode supports data redundancy through K-safety. K-safety defines how many node failures your cluster can tolerate without losing data or availability. K-value 0 means no redundancy. A single node failure can bring down the database. K-value 1 means every piece of data has one additional copy on another node. You can lose any one node and stay operational. K-value 2 means 2 redundant copies. The cluster survives 2 simultaneous node failures. For most production deployments, K-value 1 is the minimum recommendation. By implementing K-safety, we enhance both data protection and system availability, safeguarding against potential disruptions. Projections play a crucial role in enhancing data availability. They allow for efficient query performance by providing multiple data access paths. Fault groups are designed to ensure continuous database operation. By grouping nodes, we minimize the risk of simultaneous failures. Buddy projections keep duplicate column data on different nodes, so failover is instant and zero downtime. Fault groups make sure those copies are spread across separate racks or zones, not sitting in the same hardware that could fail together. This strategic grouping enhances reliability, ensuring that the database remains operational even under challenging conditions. Together, they're what make Enterprise Mode genuinely resilient in real-world infrastructure. So that's Vertica Enterprise Mode, shared nothing architecture, ROS storage with automatic mergeout, K-safety for fault tolerance, and topology-aware, high availability through projections and fault groups. Now that you understand the power of Enterprise Mode, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start implementing these strategies in your data systems today. Take the first step by exploring enterprise mode further and see the difference it can make. Like and subscribe for more Vertica deep dives.